Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own QR code. First, open your web browser. Then type QR code generator on the search bar. And now you can submit your URL. I am going to use my YouTube channel page URL. Now I am going to add a logo to my QR code. You can do it or not. I'm going to add a frame to it. You can add one if you like it. You can download it from clicking this button. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.